Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about arrays, part of programming in C++ course. In C++, an array is a collection of elements of the same data type, stored in continuous memory locations. Arrays can be one-dimensional, that is single row, or multi-dimensional, that is multiple rows and columns. To declare an array, you need to specify the data type of the element it will contain, the name of the array, and the size of the array. And below is an example of declaring an array. This declares an array named numbers with 5 elements of type int. You can initialize an array when you declare it, as shown below. To access the elements of an array, you use the name of the array followed by the index of the element in square brackets. The first element has an index of 0. The second element has an index of 1, and so on. For example, this will output the value of the first element in the numbers array, which is 1. Arrays are used to store collection of data, and they can be useful in many different types of programs. They provide a simple and convenient way to manage and manipulate large amounts of data in a program. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.